Hello grade 9 learners and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is the continuation of our video series regarding graphing quadratic functions. So for today's video, I will be discussing the graph of f of x equals to the quantity x minus h squared plus k. So it is similar with our last video that I uploaded, pero this time ay nadagdagan siya ng plus k. So we're in, the vertex of the graph is hk. Remember, the vertex of the graph is hk. When we say vertex, that will be the lowest point of the parabola. And the axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals to h. So we are going to graph g of x equals the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 3. So with this quadratic function, we can easily identify the vertex, which is hk. Again, our h is negative 2. So therefore, our h is positive 2. Because it can be written as x minus positive 2. Okay, so our h is positive 2. And then our k is 3. So, meaning to say, if we are going to interpret the vertex, for example, 2 to the right. So, we are going to shift 2 units to the right. And then, kapag naman positive 3, we are going to shift 3 units upward. So, para mas maintindihan yung sinasabi ko na 2 units to the right at 3 units upward, so panoorin nyo yung last video na in-upload ko regarding doon sa pag-graph ng quadratic functions. And then with this one, so we can identify the symmetry, the axis of symmetry. So we're in, ang axis of symmetry natin dito ay yung x equals to h, wherein ang our h is 2. So therefore, our axis of symmetry is x equals to positive 2. So, para mas describe natin siya or para mas mapakita, gagamit tayo ng table of values. So, let us say we have here the values of x. So, we need to assign values of x. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need to find the values of y. So, for us to be able to find the each value of y, we need to substitute each values of x. So, let's start with 1. So, if x equals to 1, so substitute lang natin dito. So, 1 minus 2 is negative 1 squared, that is 1, plus 3, you have 4. Same with 2, if x equals to 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, squared is 0, plus 3, we have 3. And then if x is 3, so you have 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1, plus 3 is 4. And then 4 minus 2, you have 2, squared is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. And then last but not the least, if x is 5, so 5 minus 2 is 3, squared is 9, plus 3 is 12. So we're in, meron tayo ditong ilang ordered pairs. Meron tayo ditong 5 ordered pairs. So sinabi natin kanina na hk, ito yung ating pinaka-vertex. Okay, so let us plot each points on our Cartesian plane. So we have here 1, 4. And then we have here 2, 3. We have here 3, 4. And then we have here 4, 7. So gamit tayo ng ruler. And then we have here 5, 12. 5, 12. So we have plotted all the ordered pairs, and then we need to connect those points. Okay, so let's try to find the other points. Halimbawa ay negative 2 para lang makonect natin. So, if x is negative 2, so negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16 plus 3i So, that is negative 2. So, most likely nandito siya. Ayan. Something like that. Again, my graph wasn't perfect, pero ito yung graph ng ating quadratic function na g of x equals to x minus 2 squared plus 3. Ayan. So, again, ito yung pinaka-vertex ng graph. So, that is 2, 3. I mean, without graphing, so we can easily identify the vertex. So, we're in, that is positive 2, and then 3. So, that is 2, 3. And then, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong axis of symmetry.